Today we'll talk about how can you disable threaded mode on your Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings, click on it here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on thread preferences, just click on it. So then you go down, you come here to threaded mode, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here, that's mean threaded mode disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.